Nymiz allows you to customize the anonymization process and monitor it manually. In this way, you will be able to edit the result proposed by Nymiz, including or excluding from anonymization everything that you consider appropriate. We upload the files and select the anonymization procedure and review the configuration of exceptions and info types that we want to apply. Before starting the process, we must activate the button "Do you want to monitor manually?" Once activated, click on Start Manual Supervision Process. Once the document has been processed, we access the section where the user can edit the result proposed by Nymiz, before definitively downloading the protected document. The preview of the document shows in red the data that, if not edited, will be anonymized. In the same way, on the left side of the screen all the data to be anonymized are shown. You can do the manual anonymization process directly on the preview screen or work directly with the data that we find listed on the right of the screen. The data that Nymiz proposes to anonymize are presented underlined in red in the document. In case we want to keep visible a personal data that Nymiz initially proposes to anonymize, we can exclude it from the anonymization process in two simple ways. We select the data that we want to keep visible in the document itself and press the red button with the trash can symbol. In the list of words on the right, we can select the data that Nymiz proposes to anonymize and that we want to exclude from the process. Once selected, press the red button with the trash can symbol. With this functionality, the selected data will remain visible in the final document. However, we are only excluding specifically selected data from anonymization, that is, if the data is repeated throughout the document, it will continue to be anonymized. If you want to keep it visible throughout the entire document, it will be necessary to use the multiple de-anonymization option. If we want to include data in the anonymization process so that it is not visible in the final document, it is necessary to select the data in the document and click on the button with the plus symbol. The data will be anonymized. However, only the selected data will be anonymized, and may be visible in other points of the document where it appears repeated. If you wish to anonymize the data throughout the entire document, it will be necessary to use the multiple anonymization option presented below. If we want to anonymize a signature, a logo or a specific area of the document, we can do it. With the free anonymization option, the user can draw a rectangle that covers any part of the document so that Nymiz anonymizes it. How does it work? Very easy. We select the free anonymization button, we draw the area that we want to anonymize, and we select the free anonymization button again. In case you want to anonymize the area on all pages of the document, you can do so by selecting the duplicate button on all pages. To eliminate any free area that we have drawn, we can use the buttons with the trash can symbol to eliminate only one of the areas or all the previously duplicated ones throughout the document. Once the document has been supervised, we press the download button to obtain the download of our anonymized document.